much. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Shepa and here is Glowy. Welcome back to our channel. Say hi. You're a sweet little girl. Today I'll be doing this makeup look, which is very dewy and glowy makeup look, and I haven't used any eyeshadow to create this look at all. To be honest with you guys, I create this makeup look almost every day for my everyday purpose, and it takes me only 5 minutes to do this look, and it's very easy to do. Here this video might be longer than 5 minutes because I have like a 1 minute long intro, but yeah, let's start. So at first, to create this look, I'm gonna use my face primer. The face primer that I'm using here today is by Too Faced, and I got this face primer from the Sephora favorite Fresh Squeezed, and I have a video unboxing that Sephora favorite. If you want, you can check that video out. And this primer has a cooling this primer is called Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, and this is infused with peach, which is like so good. It gives you a really nice cooling effect in your face. It just feels good to apply this at first, and then obviously it makes the foundation application so much easier. Here right now today I'm not going to use any foundation, I mean not any full coverage foundation, because it's like more like an everyday makeup look that I do, and I do not wear foundation all the time. So I like to use this one. It's mostly like a tint moisturizer, but this is called Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint, and this has sunscreen on it. So in the summertime I really like to use this one. This is very lightweight and also not full coverage, and almost like a tint moisturizer. The makeup brush that I'm using here, I'm pretty sure you have seen me using this makeup brush almost into all of my videos. I use this a lot. This is by Real Technique. It's called Face Expert Brush, and I love this brush for my foundation application. Now here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless face powder to set my foundation or tint moisturizer or whatever you use. This face powder is my ultimate favorite drugstore face powder, and I use it a lot. Next, I focus into my eyebrows, but I have pretty full eyebrows, so I do not really spend so much time into my eyebrows at all. But if eyebrow is your main thing, then yes, you can start doing your eyebrows in the very beginning, spend more time into there, and then focus less time into something else that you think you don't need to spend so much time into. I hope it makes sense. And yeah, because it's an everyday makeup look, so I don't want to do everything super perfect, so I just mainly focus into the things that I need to. So for eyebrows, here I'm using the ELF eyebrow pencil, and this is another drugstore eyebrow pencil that I like to use, and I use it a lot. And the way I do my eyebrows is pretty easy. What I do here is at first I draw lines in the very bottom lines, and then I fill up the very end of my eyebrows, and then later I just take the spoolie side and the spoolie side of the eyebrow pencil or any spoolie, and then I just brush it upwards so that it gives a very natural looking fine hair effect in the very front side. I actually have been doing this way for a long time, so it just takes a very less time for me. But if you mess up, you can just always use a little bit of concealer and clean it up afterwards. So now that I have used foundation or tint moisturizer, or sometimes I even use just concealer, so I don't want to look like my face is totally flat. So to give some dimension, I use this Hola bronzer by Benefit, and I love this bronzer a lot because I don't even need to do contouring if I use this bronzer, and I absolutely love that. So here, instead of eyeshadow, I'm using this same bronzer basically to give a little bit of dimension in my eyes. So yeah, basically I'm not going to use any eyeshadow palette or any eyeshadow today. I'm using the same bronzer that I used to contour my face. I'm using that same bronzer to contour my eyes, so my eyes looks a little more like not so plain. Hope it makes sense. So I'm going to do the same thing for both my eyes. Next is time to put a little bit of blush and highlighter. So for blush, I'm gonna use this Tarte 9 Ways to Shine set, and I'm taking this black one, and this one has a beautiful pink blush, and I use this blush a lot as well. And here is my absolute favorite highlighter, and that is from the Manizer sisters, and the highlighter is called Marilo Manizer, and this highlighter I've been using for probably over 3 years, and I still think that this is one of the very best highlighter out there. And yeah, like I've been using so many highlighters, but I still find myself going back to this highlighter. This is just so awesome. And here I'm highlighting my usual areas. Next, I'm going to take the same highlighter into a eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, and I will also highlight a little bit into my brow bones, so that it just gives a little more dewy finish, because all the dewy finish in this look is coming from this highlighter. And like I say, like this is like one of the very best highlighter. It can change the entire look. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and those are just some very basic steps right now coming that I do really super fast when I'm doing it. Curl my eyelashes, put some mascara on my both eyes, and upper eyelashes, lower eyelashes. Yeah, I know I don't have to mention that upper and lower, but okay. So, and then I will be putting on some lipstick. Now here, if you don't wear a bright lipstick and just go with a nude, or maybe just a clean clear lip gloss, that would be a perfect everyday makeup look. But here I went with this bright orangey shade by MAC Cosmetics. It's in shade chili, and the lip liner is in shade red. I absolutely love this combination, and this is my everyday makeup look that I can do like in just 5 minutes. Let me know what you think. I hope to see you back again in another video. Please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. Bye bye. Love you all.